This modern outdoor dining area features a sleek wooden table and 6 chairs on a tan rug. Large glass doors open to the patio, blending the white house with the lush green gardens. A modern white house features a dark blue accent wall and glass door. Framed by vertical pillars and white slat gates, the well-lit entrance leads to a beautifully paved driveway. This contemporary patio features a wooden dining set on light stone tiles. Surrounded by glass railings and potted plants, the space offers a seamless view of the lush greenery. Set with silverware and glass, a wooden dining table sits on a gray stone patio. Bordered by a low white wall and grassy lawn, the scene opens to a bright house with glass doors. Bathed in natural light, this modern patio features a wooden dining set on gray stone. A white wall and vibrant greenery frame the space, while large glass doors reveal the interior. This minimalist house features expansive glass walls opening to a warm living space. Landscaped stone paths and mountain views create a serene atmosphere in a natural setting. Concrete architecture meets nature in this serene home, featuring large glass doors and a wooden deck. Inside, a cozy living room overlooks a landscape of rocks and mountains. A sleek black sports car sits in the driveway of a modern 2-story home. The white and gray exterior, accented by a wooden gate and warm lighting, is framed by manicured hedges. This 2-story modern home features white walls and dark gray trim. A wooden gate stands at the entrance near a black sports car, all set against a backdrop of neatly kept trees. Large glass doors open this stone house to a furnished patio. A brick path winds through succulents and rocks toward the mountains, blending modern design with the wild earth. Overlooking the ocean at sunset, this concrete villa features multi-level patios and outdoor dining. Stone steps lead to the water where boats drift under a warm, golden sky. This minimalist patio features a wooden dining set and glass railings. Adjacent to a white house, the space includes a tranquil water feature and views of the verdant forest. A dark gray Audi is parked before a modern 2-story home with a flat roof and wooden gate. Paved paths and autumn foliage surround the property under a clear, bright blue sky. This minimalist concrete house features an open floor plan and large windows facing the mountains. A stone staircase leads to the entrance, surrounded by a rugged landscape. A wooden dining table is set for a meal on a stone patio surrounded by lush trees. In the background, a dark gray house with white trim stands beneath a clear and sunny sky.